The journey of a bicycle begins with the careful delivery of raw metal tubes, the foundational elements for its frame. Carefully categorized, these raw materials await their transformation into precision bicycle components. Precision machinery accurately cuts the metal tubes to the exact specifications required for each frame. After cutting, the tube ends are meticulously deburred to ensure a smooth, clean surface for subsequent processes. Computer numerical control machines precisely bend metal tubes into the intricate shapes that form the bicycle frame. This precise shaping ensures optimal strength and geometry for the bicycle's design. For certain designs, tubes are hydroformed using high-pressure fluid to create complex, lightweight shapes. Individual frame sections are carefully positioned within precision jigs, ready for the crucial welding stage. Robotic welders fuse the frame components with precise, high-temperature arcs, ensuring structural integrity. For intricate or high-performance frames, expert welders manually apply tungsten inert gas welds with meticulous care. Traditional steel frames are often joined by brazing, where molten filler metal creates strong, smooth connections. Once welded, frames undergo a crucial cooling period, followed by initial visual inspection for structural integrity. Excess weld material is carefully ground away, smoothing the joints for a flawless finish. Skilled artisans hand-finish each frame, ensuring every surface is perfectly smooth and prepared for painting. Frames enter a multi-stage washing and pre-treatment process, preparing their surfaces for optimal paint adhesion. This critical cleaning removes all impurities, ensuring a pristine canvas for the finishing layers. In a controlled environment, frames enter the powder coating booth, where electrostatically charged paint is applied. This advanced technique ensures a durable, uniform, and environmentally friendly finish. The coated frames then move into high-temperature ovens, where the powder paint melts and cures into a robust protective layer. For specific finishes, frames receive liquid paint application by highly accurate robotic systems. After painting, frames slowly traverse a drying line, allowing the paint to set and harden perfectly. Brand decals and graphics are meticulously applied by hand, adding distinctive character to each frame. Meanwhile, an organized array of pre-assembled components, like wheels, awaits their integration into the bicycle. Automated machines expertly lace spokes into hubs and rims, forming the foundational structure of the wheel. Each wheel is meticulously trued and tensioned on specialized machines, ensuring perfect rotational balance. Forks are precisely installed into the frame's head tube, integrating the steering mechanism with careful attention to bearings. The bottom bracket, a crucial interface for the pedal cranks, is securely threaded into place. Cranksets and pedals are then attached, forming the rider's primary connection to the drivetrain. The drivetrain comes together as the chain is carefully threaded onto the front chainring and rear cassette. Derailleurs are mounted, and shift cables are meticulously routed and secured for smooth gear changes. The wheels are then carefully mounted onto the frame and fork, bringing the bicycle closer to completion. Brake calipers are installed and precisely adjusted, ensuring reliable stopping power. The handlebars and stem are securely fastened to the fork, providing the rider's primary steering control. Finally, the seat post and saddle are installed, completing the rider's contact points. Each completed bicycle undergoes rigorous quality control, including a thorough check of the gear shifting system. Brake performance is meticulously tested to guarantee immediate and reliable stopping power. A comprehensive visual inspection ensures every bicycle meets the highest standards of finish and aesthetic quality. Once approved, each bicycle is carefully wrapped and protected for its journey to the customer. The protected bicycles are then carefully placed into sturdy, custom-designed boxes, ready for shipment. The completed and packaged bicycles are then loaded onto trucks, ready to reach enthusiasts worldwide.